Alright folks, too bad the video started late. So what we're actually building here, it's a hatcher, or they have an incubator. I'm getting too many eggs stuck in the incubator, so I'm building a hatcher to transfer it and keep the cycle going. So it's pretty much built out already. The frame took 3 4x8 boards and 8 2x4s. I still gotta put up the door, but like you can see, I'm just wrapping up with the electrical system. Down there I have a central fan, and I have a heating system right there. It's all wired together with the humidifier. I'm testing it out. We're gonna see it in a little bit here. It's all wired in the this central console here that controls humidity and temperature, because basically that's all we need for a hatcher. We don't need an egg turner. So yeah, the switch right here, just install it. The switch will be used to shut off the system. Questions, and please post questions in the comments while we do the build. I'm gonna turn it on, give a test run before I wheel it into the garage and finish up installing the doors and then the edges of the frame, and probably paint it down the road, but it's not gonna be anytime soon. We will see how it works. Alright folks, I am going to power it on now. Here comes nothing. And there it goes. You guys had the click. Yeah, I can already spot something wrong. The fan is not turning, so I need to troubleshoot that. Give me a second and I'll be right back. Alright, I figured out I had a 12-volt cable supplying the fan was the live wire of it was not hooked up. So I just did. I'm gonna power it on again and flip the switch on real quick. You got the click. It came on. So technically this side is the humidifier, and the red side is for the temperature. Everything is wired down here. You can see the humidifier is fired up, and I am still to hook the temperature and humidity sensor up somewhere up in the center of the hatcher. So that's the central fan, circulates air. That's the heater. Once this door is shut, give it a couple of minutes, it's just gonna build heat in here, and once it gets to the right temperature for the hatcher, it's just gonna shut off. And likewise the humidity, when it gets to the right humidity where the hatcher is supposed to be, it's gonna shut off. So let's pause here, and then we can continue later when we have set up everything and then put up the doors, and we can go from there. I really like the LEDs on the light on the humidifier. It's kind of fun. I'm gonna probably put some plexiglass on the doors, just so you know, when I barge into the garage, I can see some night lights, nice color changing lights in there. it'll be fun. Currently have some eggs in the incubator. I got basically like 3 more days to pull them out of the incubator, so this needs to be set in latest sometime tomorrow, hopefully. Alright guys, catch you when we're done setting up the doors, and we'll be checking the temperatures inside. Alright folks, here is the hatcher. It is set. I got some windows on it with some plexiglass, so we can literally see what's going inside. Like you guys can see, that's the humidifier inside working with the LED lights. So I just crank it up. Temperature was at 22, so it's rising. Humidity works pretty good. The limit is at 58. Like you guys can see, it just went off. Humidifier just went off, and once the humidity drops all the way to like 55, it comes right back on and bumps it back to 58. Temperature is set to around at between a low side is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 37.7 degrees Celsius, and then the high side is 100.5 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 38 degrees Celsius. So this stuff doesn't take Fahrenheit, so I had to convert it into degrees Celsius. So the low side is, like I said, 37.7, and the high side is 38. If the temperature rises up to 38, it's gonna shut the heater down automatically, and watch the temperature when it goes down to 37.7. it's just gonna kick the heater back up. So shut things shut. It's working. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing as a hatcher. Now what I need to do is make sure, you know, I get some on day 18 I get the eggs out of the incubator, and I put them inside, put them in here, and 3 days after we should start see some baby chicks. Oh folks, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. I usually do a couple of stuff every now and then and upload them. One thing I forgot to mention is I did put some wheels underneath the hatcher, so you can actually let me try to see if I can move it around. You guys see, you can actually wheel it around like that. I can move it from one spot to the other. It's gonna be in my garage until I build a van or a shed or something. Alright, if you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. I'll be happy to provide anyone dimensions and a list of materials and stuff that I used. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.